Hello, I'm Isabella. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Dji Osmo Pocket 4. I finally got my hands on one of these, the newest one, the Dji Osmo Pocket number 4, and I got the creator combo. So let's unbox it together. Here in Norway you can buy it from the original website DJI, or you can buy it from Power or Elkjøp, and it runs for 7,200 NOK. If you want to get just the camera without the creator combo, you can get it for like 5,200, I think. Yeah. So let's unbox it. Box, and then you get some stickers and some paper notes, and then this is compact bag. You can see here, Osmo. Oh my, where do we? This is the one itself. This is the hand strap. This is the one. So this is the bag. It has a little compartment, 1, 2, 3, and then the big one here. Very nice bag. They give you a quick start guide where you can connect it to the app, DJI Nemo app, and how you connect everything. So it says we have to remove this one. Let's do that. I think this is just to hold it. Oh, okay, the whole thing. This one. Remove the okay, language. So that screen is touch. Oh, many Asian languages, some Arabic, Deutsch, Spanish, and it makes a nice tick 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 sound. Yep. Start. So start or stop recording. Okay. Tap to change shooting mode. Swipe from right edge to adjust exposure. Brightness and darkness. Okay. Oh, we have to tap on the screen. Okay. Video parameters. Control center. Center playback. Oh, okay, we can see back. Just the volume. It's just starting again. I wish it could have been like with the buttons, because you don't want to be touching the screen. So what is this? App glamour, no. Beautify off. Film tone, okay. The breathing compensation on. Smart gimbal. With these. Ooh, okay, 1, 2, 3. The light is very good. We can. And here. Okay. And how do we turn it off? So to turn it off, we press this one. 1 second. Apple before use. That's where you can charge it. This one you can have 2 different attachments. One is smaller, and they just clip on. And this one, oh, perfect. And then on your clothes, or you don't need the clip and you put it away, so this way. Okay, and then it doesn't fall off. Okay, that's nice to know. So light goes here, and the wide screen lens goes here. One back on. We have to remove the legs and put them in here. And this one, put it here. Then the camera goes here. Then all of the microphone stuff goes here. Then we can just close it all up.